If you want to grow a channel quickly, then you really do have to make sure that you're doing all the right things when you upload your video. This will ensure more suggested views, and suggested views are how you're going to grow your channel. So let's get going. Before we start, you want to check out a free YouTube tool called TubeBuddy. It's got a load of nifty features to help grow your channel. You'll see us use it here. The link's in the description. First up, log into your channel. Select Upload here in the top right. Now drop in the video you want to load or select the file. The video will start its upload. If you just want to use YouTube as a place to host video, then you're pretty much done here. If you want to build your channel, then keep watching. Now, enter the title of your video. The title should really tell the viewer what it's about. Ideally, you'll have researched what people are searching and get your keywords in here. Let's use this as an example. How to upload a video to YouTube to grow your channel. We've got two keywords here, how to upload to YouTube and grow your channel. Both are searched a lot. Now in this description box, we want to fill it out. Ideally, you're going to want to write at least 500 words and make sure it's got your target keywords in. I tend to upload the script right here. If you look in the description, you'll see you can pretty much read the entire video that you're watching right now. This is what I've used to help rank videos in the past, and you know what? It's worked. Now the tags. You need to add words that are specific. So YouTube is here, and upload. Now I'll pop in my title as a tag. Now more generic tags, how to, vlog, tutorial, and so on. You'll see suggested tags, pop them in too. And also, if you've still got any space left, try misspelling a few words, because people tend to do that quite a lot. Get as many as you can in before it all runs out. And now you're going to want to perfect that thumbnail. There's a whole vlog on this on its own, but I'll just give you the basics right now. The thumbnail is as important as your content, if not more. That sounds mad, but the algorithm will boost your suggested views if your click-through rate on a video thumbnail is higher than the others. So if they suggest it to 1,000 people and 400 click on it, it's going to get boosted more. Get more views and grow your channel, possibly forever. Make sure your video contains a human, text that makes it obvious what your video is about, and make sure it complements your title. This is YouTube's advice, and let's face it, they should know a thing or two about YouTube. To select your thumbnail, you're going to need to either pick one of the auto-generated images that YouTube provides, which I will say now is a definite no-no if you want to grow your channel, because 90% of the top-performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. It's so important, so please learn to make your own. Check out TubeBuddy, the link's in the description. It's free and it allows you to make custom thumbnails in YouTube. Otherwise, check out our whole vlog on custom thumbnails. Again, the link will be in the description below. So now, click Custom Thumbnail. If you can't see it, you might not have verified your channel yet, so make sure you do that. Now, select your image. The thumbnail needs to be 1920 by 1080 pixels, just like your videos. Let it upload, and you're done. Now, go to your advanced settings, make sure the category is correct and relevant, pop in the recorded date, and fill out anything else that might be relevant to you. Now we've got the closed captions. So publish your video, then go to YouTube Studio, Videos, select the video, and now on the left you have transcriptions. Select this. This will bring up a section to select the language. For us, it's going to be English United Kingdom. Then hit confirm. You'll have a few options now. The first is upload a file. A file will be something like an SRT file. We'd recommend these for the best results. If you check out rev.com for a super cheap service that does this for you, the link will be in the description. It's like $1 a minute, and it will give you timestamps that allow YouTube to sync up the narrative to the subtitle very easily. The second option is transcribe and auto-sync. You can write out your video in here, or if you've used a script, just plop that in, or if you've used a service like Fiverr to get a transcription, again, copy it in here. Once you've got it in there, make sure you save it. YouTube will then do its best to auto-sync it to the correct times, but it's the second best option here after the SRT file. And finally, the longest option and the least efficient is to create a new closed caption and put the timings in yourself. This is going to be a lot of effort, especially if your video is long, but if you've not got a budget for paying others to transcribe or do it, then it might be your only option. Now you've done this, you want to add your end screens. This is basically something that pops up near the end of the video and gives people another video to watch. If you're making content just for YouTube, you can design your own end screens in the edit and upload with the file. Click Add Card and select Subscribe. This is a must. You want people to join your channel to make sure it grows. We also recommend selecting a video or a playlist to run alongside this. You want to keep people on your channel as long as possible to build up that authority and get more suggested views. So if you have more content that is relevant to what has just been watched, then pop that video here. You can let YouTube suggest one it thinks the viewer might like, which is the second option I use. I probably wouldn't use latest releases unless your channel is super niche and you know your video will always appeal to the same viewer. But for most it won't. If you become a partner, you can link away from YouTube, but this will stop your channel time increasing, so you might not want to do that anyway. There are also cards you might want to add. You can add polls, links to other videos, and playlists. If you want to keep people on your channel, you can work out in your analytics where the average viewer drops off and add a card to this position. It might keep them on your channel longer, but that's a blog for another day. So if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, you can't skip any of these sections. It might seem like a lot of work, and actually it is, but most people won't do it, which means you'll be ahead of your competition. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, then subscribe and join us as we grow our YouTube channel and show you how to do it as well. And check out the next video in the series, which will tell you how to put subtitles in your video and save you a lot of time.